So what is up, everyone? Today's Friday, August 28th. I'll be trading Nasdaq like I always do. So coming into the session, I'm honestly leaning pretty bullish. At previous day high, we literally came like a couple points away from taking previous day high and never took it. We're moving in bullish structure. Like if I come out to the weekly, for example, this is the daily. The weekly candlestick, I was expecting this weekly fair value gap to be respected. It is being respected so far, at least, right? We've traded down into it. We've flipped above the weekly opening price. I am expecting continuation longs on this Friday. It's not like ES took out all-time highs either. On the daily, pretty strong daily close yesterday. There's an unfilled daily fair value gap right above. I feel like that's at least the main draw, because honestly, even if we are moving bearish, I feel like we need to hit that daily gap first on at least one index, either NQ or ES. Neither one's really done it yet. On the 4 hour, we're just respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. Same thing as yesterday. I feel like the hourly looks a little more clean. I won't lie, this is pretty choppy over here. Coming up to this. There is an SMT with London and Asia lows, because London took out Asia low on NQ. But Asia low was never taken out. Isn't it? I think it's from there, but there's an SMT at Asia low. Honestly, I could really see potentially, like, maybe if at the open we want to come down and sweep out these like equal lows down here, maybe. At least previously we were reacting, like pre-market, I was looking how we're holding this 15-minute gap. I mean, potentially though, these are literally exactly equal lows. I could see market open coming out and sweep that, but I mean, best case scenario for me, market opens in what, like 2 minutes? Market open wants to manipulate down, take out some of these lows down here, and I can get longs after that, but we'll see, we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, I did like all my charting. What's up, Coolers? How are you? I did all my charting like at like I was done at like 9:20, and I forgot if you like restart trading view, it doesn't save your drawings, so I had to redo all my drawings. You said I looked into the Gex thing. What do you think of it? I haven't even looked at the Gex levels for today. I keep forgetting. I gotta. For the heck of it. Anything interesting going on? You said actually it's mind-blowing. It low-key is. And you get the rough idea where like there's the A and the R levels and the 1 through 5 where like 1 is more significant and 5 is less significant. I forget the exact, and I think either A or R, one of them is more significant than the other. I forget the exact difference. Yeah, I was trading with Gex levels last night, low-key. I should have been positive last night. I finished down 1 R last night, but I probably should have been positive if I used Gex levels properly. So 1 to 3 are most important, yeah. I guess you've been doing your research too. So you can use every Gex level. I mean, yeah. Honestly though, me personally, you can, the indicator I use, there's 1 through 5, and you can also enable 6 through 10. I just looked into 1 through 5. Either put in the call wall. And what the delta flip zone or the gamma flip zone, I forget what it's called. Interesting stuff. I'm probably gonna, this weekend, I'm probably gonna no life this stuff and look into it. Gex levels. Wait, is the gamma flicks, are they like gamma flip? Is max pain included in the indicator I have? Intraday levels. There's max pain, the gamma thing. I don't know. I'll do research this weekend. I mean, so here's market open though. So market open's coming down so far, which is what I want to see. Ideally, I want to see us leave behind this 930 high. So I can maybe use that as a target or a break even or something. Yeah, like, yeah, Q, and yeah. Some people, I was even seeing some people look at like the round numbers on QQQ, like certain levels are like round number levels. I always struggle to drink water properly. You know, I was thinking that we were going to come back up too quickly for me to get entry, but maybe not. I'd still prefer if we could take out London lows. And then there's like a double SMT down there, if you know what I mean. Like we SMT'd at open as well as the SMT between London and Asia. I might be asking for too much here, but we'll see. I mean, we're like what, 10 points away from London lows. What's up, Callis? Respectfully, I mean, I don't think you're the first here, but I always appreciate you stopping by. So there's London lows. Morning, Cypher. How are you, bro? What's up, NQ? What's up, JC? How are you, bro? Chilling. That's what's up, bro. Your breakthrough call wall. I don't doubt it, honestly. You said, Tim, I need your help with something. Yeah, I got you, bro. You can DM me whenever. I got you, bro. You said we all aiming for those equal high. Yeah, dude. Well, isn't it at previous? Wasn't it London or am I bugging? Or is it it's Asia highs, I thought. Are there more equal highs I'm missing? Yeah, Asia, okay. Yeah, it's Asia in previous day high, yeah. Dude, I can't believe I saw some dude crashing out last night. Like, I was scrolling through Reels, and I saw something, and this dude was like, I was taking longs up to previous day high, and I guess he got like, I think he got stopped out, and then he was saying that he tried shorts to Asia lows, which I'm pretty sure Asia lows got edged overnight. I felt bad for bro, honestly. Or did he short to London lows that got edged or something? He shorted to something that got edged right after. Oh, I think this was it right here. Yeah, that guy, I think he shorted to Asia lows and then see it got edged twice, and then I guess he got stopped out here and then it took Asia lows. Oh no, I actually did trade Asia last night. I low-key, I wish I didn't get there so late though. You know, like there's that inversion kind of at like what, 8:07 or something like that. It was like right after. Honestly, I wish I took that, but I was busy doing something like in real life, so I didn't take it. And then I watched it play out for like my full TP. And I took one long after that and I lost, and I got stopped at break even after that and I just called it. Oh, what? Nasdaq's not doing too much. You said, guys, I think he was busy in real life. Yeah, I'm awkward the way I explain things. I mean, I'm thinking about if I get some form of inversion, which is probably gonna be unlikely. Oh, there's no way I'm getting entry. You said I'm in this long, not gonna lie. That's what's up, honestly. Oh, probably off that 1 minute I'm assuming you took. I mean, I'm looking at there's a 2 minute, there's a 3 minute, we're probably gonna open a 4 minute, but like if I keep waiting for an inversion, I'm probably just not getting an entry. Me personally, I guess if this wants to fail and maybe like sweep out this low and I can maybe get a CISD off that, I maybe consider that. But you said I'm in a long TP at Asia. That's what's up. I like those equal highs up there. I personally just want more confirmation before I long, but I definitely think the target is right. But I was like, yeah, please don't sweep that low. Yeah, it's probably not going to sweep that low at this rate, honestly. I don't know. Me personally, I don't feel like aggressive enough on this setup to basically bet these gaps are going to get inverted. Even though it's probably, I mean, it's probably going to happen. Oh, yo, I missed your comment before. Did you say something about DMing me? Oh, damn, we're ripping. Oh, you said I'm going to keep digging. I'll DM you if I find something. Yeah, DM me whenever, bro. 77% call wall. It's crazy. What's the highest time frame? I mean, the highest time frame gap here is this 4-minute. There's absolutely no shot I'm getting an entry off this 4-minute inverse because, like, I would want to be break even at that 930 high, which is also an unfilled 5-minute. You said listen, sinus? What? Damn, I hope it doesn't take my draw without me. I'll be sad. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, but what's up, Roy? I meant to say hi to you, Roy. What's up? You said, shit, man. Is we rich in this bitch? Not yet. We working toward that. Oh. Do you know Navi NQ? I don't think so. Or Ravi NQ, I should say. I put an N in there for no reason. Yeah, this is so random, but I want to listen to Nav now. You guys know the artist Nav? I don't know why. I was listening to Nav OD lately. I used to listen to Nav when I was like 16. I don't know why. One of my friends the other day, like a week ago, was like, remember Nav? And I keep thinking about Nav. The Indian dude? Yeah, yeah, he's like a fat Indian dude. Talks about like... Man, I should make that joke. He talks about substances 24/7. Yeah, I feel like he's pretty good, but I feel like I couldn't listen to him like 24/7. I feel like I took like a 2-year break from listening to Nav. I'm like, oh yeah, he's fire. Honestly, I'll probably listen to Nav for a month and probably never listen to Bro again for years. But... yeah, yeah, I agree with that, yeah. That's right, Pillow. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hit the like button. It does help me out. I do appreciate it. Appreciate you, Pillow. You said 758 is a good target for equal highs. 758? Oh, the unfilled daily gap? That's like right next to the unfilled daily, right? I have an indicator for equal highs, so I'm just gonna... Well, I guess there must be some set of equal highs right above that daily gap, because you said 758. 758 is like right that unfilled daily gap. Now, I really do think that unfilled daily gap is our best draw. Like, honestly, me personally, I'm not looking at like to take longs past the unfilled daily gap. Like, for example, if we trade all the way to the unfilled daily gap, like, you have my word that I will be locking out my account and I will be calling it the week. Like, because if we hit the unfilled daily gap, I ain't taking shit. Like, I'm bullish, I'm not taking shorts, and there's literally no targets above that gap, in my opinion. But... You said, you know, flow zone trader? I don't think so, honestly. You said sorry for all this. Bro, I don't even know what bro's apologizing for. The only thing I'm sad about is I didn't get my entry on this. Oh my god, Nasdaq, please don't take these equal highs. I just need a pullback for an entry. Oh yeah, but honestly, I might look at the GTA 6 trailer. I haven't seen it. The only thing I did see was I saw some TikTok of some girl that was like, whichever man I get, he ain't playing GTA 6. Like, and then she's like, all they do in these video games is go to strip clubs. Men can't play video games without being sexual. And she was going on some long rant, and I was like, oh my god, what is this? What is this GTA 6 trailer? Like, what is in it that made this woman flip her shit? I do agree Cypher's a good guy. Oh, you said taking away from the trading, talking about games? You're good, bro. Dude, I get so off topic all the time. I feel like we're all basically friends here. Bro said I'll call in sick for 2 weeks. Bro said, are you free now? No, I'm actually in the middle of running a marathon right now. I'll let you guys know when I'm done running the marathon. I'm actually crossing the Brooklyn Bridge as we speak right now. No, I mean, I'm just being a dickhead. I mean, yeah, I mean, if you can DM me now, I mean, I'll look at it when I get to it, honestly. I mean, I know this, I'm not trying to sound like I'm a celebrity, but I don't know, my DMs kind of get backed up sometimes, but I'll get to you eventually. Bro said, Tim, me, or Cypher, choose one. That's such a random thing to say. He's like, bro, me or this person, pick. Like, why do I have to pick? I mean, I know, I like you guys equally. Yo, yeah, if I'm doing that, then why are you here watching Visor? No, I'm kidding. You said the daily gap would be TP. Oh, also, this is so random, it's Cypher. Wasn't it like a month or two ago, we were talking about, wasn't it Dolly Parton? And then I like got confused, and I was like, oh, didn't she die? And it was like someone related to her. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Do you remember that a while ago when you're like, don't scare me like that? Didn't it actually happen? Like, you were like, that's, yeah, because I remember that was the first thing, yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I remember when I first heard that happen, I was like, no, I met. Bro said I killed Dolly. I'm sorry, bro. Honestly, though, that was the first thing when I heard about it, though. You said I just started watching True Detective? No, I actually haven't seen that show. But when I heard that she died, though, I was like, dude, I was just saying, didn't she die? And now she actually is dead. Do I have to pay her like life insurance? So, dude, who is she? I guess she's more popular in America. I mean, I'm not even she's more of like some older woman that was more popular a long time ago. You guys are gonna kill me for asking this. Why is Dolly Parton famous? Is famous, one of the most successful and influential singers and songwriters in history. She has a song called 9 to 5. Oh, that's what she's famous for? I can stand behind this. No, I'm kidding. Maybe that was a messed up joke to make. What's up, Mateer? Bro was like, I forgot it was you. I snitched on myself. Bro wouldn't have known it was me if I didn't tell him. And I was like, you killed him. You said she has some good songs, bro. I mean, you know, for the heck of it, to pay my respects, I guess I might listen to 9 to 5. It's gonna hurt my soul, though, to listen to a song called 9 to 5. I'll probably listen to it, you know, because actually, you know, I'm off this week. Maybe when I drive back to my 9 to 5 job next week, I'll listen to 9 to 5, and I'll mourn my my employment. Bro said, let's put his head on a stick. You guys pull up the chat with like torches and pitchforks. You've given us one too many bad signals. So honestly though, it's crazy. Interesting. Yeah. I'm reading bro's comment. You said, Tim, can you tell Marcus to pump so I can hit TP? I mean, I hope the markets pump. Honestly, I'm hoping we pull back to this 5-minute gap here, which is this 930 high. I'll take longs if we pull back a little more. But I do think we're probably going to rip up really soon. I'm desperate for a pullback. But bro, I like how you misspelled Gex, and the way I read that was just very laughable to me. Come on, can you hit the unfill 5-minute, please? I will genuinely rip a 30-second inversion if this thing pulls back to this 5-minute. Oh, this is so random. Not like you guys are too interested in this, but outside my house, they're actually literally redoing my driveway. So they literally like took up the old driveway. They're like literally, they're like flattening the land right now, like putting down like, if you guys hear background noise, I'm surprised. It's been quiet since I started stream, but if you guys hear background noise, you said, nah, bro, that 5-minute. Honestly, I was thinking the same thing when JC was like, bro, tell the market to pump. I was like, when I'm saying I want this 5-minute, bro's probably like, bro, shut the fuck up. Nah, dude, that's way too sus. I only kiss straight dudes, okay? You said genuinely like how you're very meticulous. Honestly, I like the word meticulous. I feel but I mean, I don't know. It kind of comes from a place where I just don't want to take trades, and like I don't got money to lose, if that makes sense. I mean, well, it's not like if I had money to lose, I'd take dog shit setups, but like, I don't know. I don't want to look back and like, damn, I took a shit. Like, I actually did it. I took a bad setup yesterday too. I kind of have PTSD from that. You said, bro, you ain't predicted shit with your lie on the screen to write him dead. Honestly, though, I do feel like my brain be convincing me sometimes that when I like say something like, oh, I just want to see us pull back to this 5-minute, like it does the opposite. Bro said we all did. We all took a bad setup. I mean, I guess that makes me feel slightly better. I do remember though, in the chat though, like everyone's like, yo, this 2 minutes fire, and like, I'm not saying that any of us is like stupid, but like in hindsight though, I was like, yo, why did we take that 2-minute? You said, yeah, Tim, just act like you want to enter shorts. Yeah, low key though. Yeah, I'm trying to short this. What are they saying outside my window? Guys, I'm so bearish. Come on, I'm so bearish. Go down, Nasdaq. I don't know why. I just hate, I mean, it's normal. I just hate seeing a draw this obvious, dude. Like, we literally have relative equal highs with previous day high and Asia high. Like, this is like, it's so obvious this is getting hit. Just want my little pullback. This shit, I ain't getting my pullback, though. You said, what have we learned? I mean, I didn't learn anything today. I mean, honestly, I'm still not, I mean, there's no entry for me here. I mean, we don't trade on a Friday. I mean, I didn't trade on a Friday. If anything, I could have taken a good trade today if I caught an entry. I wish I traded Friday. So we do have the 10 a.m. macro is opening up. Okay. Not the worst. I want to see a deeper pullback a little bit. A little further down. This 30 seconds not too clean. That is a random ass dump though. Literally like 950 hits. Remember, I was like the 10 a.m. macros hitting. It's about to be interesting. We just fucking dump. I'm sorry, NQ. This is the 1 minute still. We're so close to the unfilled 5 minute. I'm sure ES probably hit a 5-minute. Yeah, I mean, ES is trading inside a 5-minute. Even NQ did tap into a 5-minute volume imbalance. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a second to get that. I can like literally smell them like working on my like driveway like through my window and it's closed. So, I mean, I'm just looking for what type of setup I'd be taking here. Bro said just enter now. And to be completely honest, I mean, I know we just edged this high up here. I mean, I still have confidence in this high getting hit. It's genuinely just another, like, relatively equal high up there. Yeah, we didn't even take... Yeah, dude. Honestly, if we can even give me, like, if let's say, for example, we don't invert this 5-minute and shop around here a little bit, and then, like, give a CISD, I would take something like that. What's up, Baka Kenu? Like, honestly, if we can SMT at these lows down here and, like, take out these 930 lows, maybe, on ES. These lows around 930. Yo. Cypher said a girl at my job is trying to make me her love buddy and I refuse. I mean, I don't want to corrupt you, Cypher, but if I were you, I'd go for it. Holy dumpage. Yeah, we're about to tap into this 15-minute rejection block. I don't know why I said it like that. You said bro's a monk. Yo, you and Vice have been the same type of timing. I'm not gonna lie, so we opened up this 3-minute... Well, we're about to open up this 3-minute gap. Honestly, so... This gap's no longer unfilled. I want to adjust that. But so we traded into this 5-minute gap, right? It looks like we're probably going to hold this 5-minute. If we do hold this 5-minute and then invert this 3-minute, I am going to try this long. I feel like I have a very good break-even point. Yeah, I have one try left on the evals. And then I have another set of evals to trade if I do try a second trade today. But I'm probably gonna take one trade today. We'll see though. We'll see. Honestly though, the account I bought as my the accounts I'm gonna move to if what type of emails am I getting? Oh my god. AutoGex? What the fuck? Okay. I'd be getting crazy emails. You said leave those new ones for Tuesday. Tuesday? What the fuck? Is there a bank holiday on Monday? Don't tell me that. Okay. No, Monday's not a bank holiday. It's Labor Day is a week from Monday. Oh my god, I thought Monday was a bank holiday and I was gonna start crying. No, I work at a bank. I know it's not a bank holiday. Oh, no news Monday? Fuck a no news Monday. Honestly though, I will 110% try this. I want to make sure I'm logged in the right account. Only if we invert. You said that would have ruined my Monday. Like, what do you... Yeah, dude, I'm addicted to this shit. You can't take this away from me. Honestly, I might not even get this 3-minute. Oh, I didn't even notice that. So we actually did invert this 5-minute gap over here. That doesn't necessarily mean that I'm gonna be bearish. Is there a 15? There's no 15-minute gap. I'm just analyzing Vice's question. I mean, like, I don't think there's a correlation between the sound of your voice and, like, your ability to do that. But, I mean, yeah, I don't know much input besides that. Throat power? I mean, I guess, yeah. Yo, this is what this type of price action does to us. So there's no CISD down here. If we invert this 3-minute, we invert the 5-minute, but we're also retesting a CISD down here. Do I have to log? This is a crazy time for you to log me out. You guys like that? It literally logged me out as I'm trying to take this trade. Like, what type of timing is that? But I mean, we're probably not going to invert it on this candle if I had to guess. No shot. Yeah, no. Okay. So, I mean, is there a 4-minute gap here? Well, I'm actually... Ignore me. There's a 4-minute gap here. I always pay attention to the highest time frame gap in the current leg. So, I should be paying attention to this 4-minute. And there's still 2.5 minutes to this 4-minute to close. I probably should double check that before I... But, okay, I'll pull up trader.tradevate, my other monitor. So, yes... We did invert this 5-minute gap, so I'm not basing this trade out of delivery out of a 5 or 15, but we did tap into, like, I feel like it's more clear, like, on the 3-minute, there's, like, this breaker block changing the state delivery. Down here we're tapping into. I just feel like the draw is literally right there too. What's up, GC Trading Systems? How are you, bro? Said good. Glad to hear that. You taking any trades so far today? The leader... I just want to make sure Trade Copy is all set up right. The leader is... The leader 6. Okay, cool. Nada. Yeah, I haven't taken anything so far either. I might consider longs to, like, previous day high, but... Not really giving me the reaction I want. So how's your... I mean, well, Trade Copia really doesn't have slippage, honestly. It's honestly more about, like... I've been complaining my brokers. I mean, honestly, in my experience, Trade Copia has been pretty good about copying. Honestly, so if we're going to invert this 4-minute, I am going to try this long. And, I know I'm fully aware that we inverted that 5-minute gap, but I'm so okay with taking this. I feel like the draw to me is really obvious. We're still delivering off of, like, that, breaker block, like, lower time frame. He said, bro, I'm sorry, bro. There's not too much I could do about that. I mean, I could, like, make it harder to get in, like, verified wise, but I feel like nothing I do ever really changes anything. But so MNQ so if we close through the gap, I am going to try this. That is not a close through that gap. What is there? 10 a.m. news? Oh, there is red folder news. Oh, it's Fed share. Damn, was that news there before? You guys didn't see that. I'm sorry, NQ. Dude, how the fuck did I forget there was... I mean, this is so taking that draw now. You know, honestly, I probably just looked at it and saw the Walsh speaks and thought nothing of it. Yeah. Well, I didn't take the draw yet, but it says, well, it's, I guess it's, yeah, I can show you. I'm not gonna lie, I always be checking Forex Factory too. I just low-key just, for some reason, I don't know what the fuck I did this morning. Honestly, low-key, I'm not gonna lie, I think I pulled up Forex Factory now that I think about it, and I think I forgot to change the date from Thursday to Friday, and I looked at this and I thought there was no news. That's exactly what happened. When I checked the news this morning, I forgot to do it for today. Regardless, whatever. I mean, luckily it didn't hurt me. So that's short. I mean, honestly, I know I sound crazy right now. I'd be down to long still. I'd want to see data lows get swept, honestly. I feel like if it sweeps data lows and react. Bro said, don't. My bad, Baka Kenu. This is terrible PA though. I mean, respectfully, bro, you can always go to www.forexfactory.com and check too. The micro took interesting. That's weird. I mean, yeah, I got you, bro. I'll try. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again. I'll do my best. Took it perfectly. Interesting. Honestly, I know I really sound crazy here, but if we can sweep data lows and give me a CISD coming off of it, I'm gonna take it. Like, dude, there's genuinely there's too many relative equal highs up here for them to get left behind. Like, okay, so there's data lows. Am I just gonna go for a 1-to-1 today? I mean, there's the unfilled daily gap above. It's such shit price action, though. That's the main problem. 65 points is 8 contracts. Honestly, I mean, I might even consider if it offers me a 1-minute IFVG in here. I don't think I'm gonna get that. Yeah, there's no 1 minute. There is a 30-second. Do I take the 30-second? Instead of waiting for this 1 minute CISD. That did not close through. That's the only thing. If this next candle closes through this 30-second, I might try it. It would have to, yeah, I mean, it's not, I want to see like a V shape off these data lows. Yeah, honestly, I can't. I mean, if I get it, I kind of like this 30-second, but it's not. It's giving no follow through so far, I feel like. Yeah, no follow through. I do own the market. Nah, I'm joking. I can't believe we never took out previous day high. This is so ridiculous. Honestly, I think if I were to try a long here, yeah, there's no 5-minute, there's no 4-minute. The highest time frame gap could potentially be this 3-minute inversion. Honestly, if we get a 3-minute inversion here, I might try something like that. Low key. We're dumping so hard though. Should already respecting the 15-minute. I mean, technically, yeah. We never closed through it. I just don't like, though, it's like, what? Like, literally, genuinely, like... What is going on up there? All these relatively equal highs. I mean, there's those lows taken. The hourly chart looks so gnarly. That technically is a data high up there too still. Like, there's literally a data high right next to... Like, I genuinely, like... Did we open up a 4-minute? Okay, this 3-minute... Is there a 2-minute here? Okay, I'm looking to take an inverse sometime soon here because we are starting to V-shape off these lows, and we have, in my opinion, a pretty obvious draw. There's no 3-minute, no 4-minute, no 5-minute. This is the highest time frame gap in the current leg. Right? I just want to make sure I'm not bugging. There's no 3-minute, no 4-minute, 5-minute, yeah. So if we close through this, I'm taking this 100 million percent. I'm taking this if we close through this. 1,000,000%. I'm taking this if we close through this. I really like this. I really like this. I want to see it close through. Oh my god. What? Nasdaq? What? This is the second time in a row I'm waiting for it inverse, and like last minute it just flies down. Thank you. Yeah, NQ's bugging today. So I'm short. Good luck with that. Bro goes, please, I want to buy food. Sorry, NQ. Yeah. You said in my mind though. That's bad funny. You know, if it makes you guys feel any better though, I probably will be giving away I will be giving away 2 Apex accounts at the end of stream. Does it want to react off this maybe? You said they don't work in my country. Breakout. That's what's up, Kalish. And ES is so close to London lows at this point. I'm pretty sure. I mean, NQ already took London lows though. Dude, this is like, I feel like the thing is, we're getting so far away from my draw. I mean, honestly, me personally, I don't believe in shorts like that. I feel like they might be playing out, but like, I could never see myself shorting with all these relative equal highs up here. I want to say it was Clyde. Yeah, yo, Clyde. Yeah, what happened to not trading Friday, Clyde? Wasn't that you said that? You don't trade. Trading View, hello. Thank you. I mean, yeah, I could see that. Because, I mean, Fridays can be like... If you think about the weekly candle... Like, for example, we had a pretty bullish week. I was looking for follow-through, but, like, sometimes on Fridays we do pull back, you know what I mean? On a bullish week. Oh my god, this daily candlestick, I can't take this. Like, bro, yeah, honestly, I mean, I know what you mean. Those highs definitely should get hit, but like, there's a chance we might Nasdaq might be a bitch today and just do whatever it wants, and those highs might get taken. Honestly, maybe during Asia session, which I know sounds annoying, but Nasdaq be doing shit like that sometimes. I mean, honestly, I still want to give one shot toward these highs up here. Said PM will get it. I mean, I could see PM, honestly, but... Is there an unfilled... There's an unfilled 5-minute gap up here. That's not an unfilled... Damn, there's like no gaps in this leg. Said check your Gex. That is pretty interesting though. So I guess if we want to use Gex to explain what happened today, it looks like we ran into this put wall, which is right next to previous day high. It looks like that's why we couldn't take previous day high. We kind of chopped this call wall. Have a good weekend, Kalish. Enjoy your festival, bro. Are we gonna open up this 4-minute? Can we please open up this 4-minute, Nasdaq? Please? please, Nasdaq? Is there any 1 minute CISD? Nah. Can we please open this 4 minute? Get rid of this GEX shit. You said why you have different GEX levels than mine? I don't know. I mean, I'm using GEX Suite. I don't know. Maybe it varies based on which one you're using. So if we invert this 4 minute, I am gonna try this. I mean, I can still get like 1.5 R to these highs, right? Yeah. Can you update the indicator? I mean, I bought it 2 days ago. I mean, I assume it would come updated. So I gotta hope that Nasdaq does not want to fly away without me, because honestly, I like this setup. What does GEX do? It's kind of like, if you know like order flow, it's kind of like that except for options. It like has prices in the market at which like for example, the call wall is like the highest concentration of calls, and like the put wall is like the highest concentration of puts. It's essentially just markets levels the market's drawn to based on like the options market. I used to trade options, so it low-key kind of makes sense to me. But honestly, part of the main reason I started using it a little bit though is only because I keep seeing so many traders I respect like making a lot of money with it, and I'm like, maybe I'll try it out a little bit. Yeah, I used to lose money on options too. I used to lose a lot of money on options. You can sell options too. Like you can sell like credit spreads, if you guys remember that. I mean, I know I'm getting kind of like the advanced options, but dude, I used to sell credit spreads and lose so much money. Like, Nasdaq, don't fly away without me. There's 2 minutes until this candle close. I'm genuinely dying to get this entry. No, don't fly away without me, Nasdaq. This thing's gonna fly away without me, isn't it? Can you not do this to me, Nasdaq? Bro said it's a pullback. Yo, is this gonna... Oh, here we go. That's what I was trying to do before. Honestly, I'm probably still... I don't like the RR here. I low-key could just move my stop a little bit like this. That's probably collide. If I do like an 80... Come on, Nasdaq, stop flying away without me. Let me get this entry. Oh my god. Stop it. This is one thing I hate about inversions. Like, I can literally wait like 2 minutes and it'll chill out all the way down here, and then it's like just as the candle is about to close, it diddies up. Nasdaq. I want to see it close around here so I can get this entry, but
order filled.
Okay, so I'm in there. So I'll go break even whenever we take out these highs up here. I stop somewhere like down there. Honestly, I might just... Should I just full TP at all these highs up here? This is such an obvious draw. Let me go to NQ real quick. So what is this? Like 707? It's like 1-to-1 up there. 20? No, thank you. And honestly, if this hits at least, I'll be able to, I'll go with into my weekend with some fresh evals for next week, because, oh yeah. Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah, he was like, am I doing good? And then he's like, up to like $250,000 on paper. I didn't even know how to respond to that. I'm like, brother, like, I'm disappointed. Don't send me a paper. I mean, well, if you're trading like, I feel like if you're trading seriously on paper, but there's no way you're taking it seriously on paper if you're up $250,000. Like, you know what I mean though? Like, just rebuy the dip. It's another day. That's what's up. Contains nuts. Hey, that's what's up. Yo, these Gex levels really are fire, honestly. Sometimes I feel like when New York AM session's shitty like this, and I feel like I'm losing hope, I try to remind myself that like, I can in fact trade Gex levels during Asia and save my life. I'm probably gonna hit, honestly, close to max profit for the day, because I guess I'm actually slightly over risked on this. But I low-key wish I took more contracts, honestly, but you said I didn't get entered, I need to pull back. Yeah. You saw the FOMO I was getting? I was like, don't go away without me. You said, Tim, I can give you life advice. Can you let me clip farm this first? I'll give you guys Apex accounts too. I mean, after this trade, either whenever this trade's done, I am gonna give away 2 Apex accounts, just so you guys know. I'm actually not even prepared. I got my random wheel spinner up. Wheel of names. Nasdaq, I just talked all my shit. You gotta hit TP now. bro, and Kick's like, yeah. What's up, Riley? How are you, bro? So shit, Ted, you're the... No, they're no... Well, so the codes I'm gonna give you guys for the Apex, I actually have more accounts to give away. I'm only giving away 2 accounts today, but you type in the code at checkout, and it literally, you can buy any account at Apex for $0. Like activation fee, no activation fee, 150k, 50k, like literally any size, any activation fee, and then that's the impression I have. It's literally like a free use, buy whatever you want an Apex coupon. What? You said, bro, Tim, I've got several people in the family tree that fought in the Revolutionary War. I'm happy for you? What? Are you asking for an Apex account in return for what you've done for our country? Let me start typing up the thing now. I gotta enter Uber. I gotta enter... No way this thing's not about to hit my TP. Victor... Like I'm forgetting someone. Wow, not me. You know, Vizid, you're actually there already. Although I'm thinking there were people in the Discord. You said, "Can I get in?" Yeah, I mean, honestly, I wanna clip farm this before I start taking entries. Low-key, you say, how can I mean, honestly, if you're in the chat, once this trade hits, I'm just gonna take everyone's name. I'm gonna be like, hey guys, who wants to get in? I'm really gonna put everyone's name from the chat on the reel. I low-key just want to clip farm on stream first. The only reason I'm getting it ready though is because I asked in the Discord before I started stream for like the regulars that weren't gonna be here today. Is there anyone I should include? So again, I mean, Uber mods for free in the Discord, so I always got to add him. And Victor couldn't make it, but me and Victor have been boys for a hot minute, so I want to add Victor. Victor always pulls up to the TikTok streams. Where even is my Discord? Here it is. Inner Circle. Uber. Pillow. That's who I'm forgetting. I mean, Pillow's probably fucking here, though. Thank you. Bakakenu, you say, what about me? Okay, Bakakenu, I'm looking to be a dick to you for a second because, you know, I've explained this to you in the past, and you're not going to play dumb here because I've told you this specifically in the past. You are under the age of 18, okay? If I give you these accounts, dude, I don't give a fuck if it works, okay? Like, if they recognize you're under 18, nobody gets the account, okay? Like, you're essentially, in essence, taking accounts away from my community, okay? Like, and on top of that, regardless of if it works, you've actually already talked to me privately about having KYC issues and you struggling to pass KYC. So me personally, I would highly prefer to give it somebody in my community that potentially could get the account and is of age. And also, if I give away accounts to people that are underage, I could potentially get in trouble, okay? So you are putting me into a bad position. And the only reason I'm mad like this is because I have specifically asked you in the past not to do this. Well, no, it's because Baka Ken a regular and he should know better. And do you remember though, we've had the same talk before, right? I told you not to enter accounts underage. I specifically told you this twice. And you're still, because I asked you one time in the past, hey, can you not put me in this position? Because I don't want to have to forget that you're under 18 and I don't want to accidentally enter you. I asked you, don't put me in that position, and you've done it to me again. So like, I understand you're in a bad position, but like, it's honestly like, I'm not like, it's a moral thing. Like you're like, I'm going out of my way, you know, and these accounts, by the way, I could be taking some of these accounts for myself. I'm giving these accounts away to you guys, okay? Like I'm taking money that could be potentially mine. I'm giving away the community. And the least I ask is at least, is it Wise Bro screaming? I don't know. It's annoying. I'd rather the accounts go to someone that can actually trade them. I honestly, like, I wouldn't be more mad. I've specifically asked him before not to do this. Like, I don't want to, like, when I do giveaways, I don't want to have to sit here and actively monitor, like, oh, this dude's under 18, like, oh, this dude shouldn't be entered. Like, he said, damn, bro, I feel bad. I don't feel bad for him because, like, and on top of that, I've actually, did you know, fun fact, I mean, I know maybe I shouldn't be saying this only because bro's trying to like do this. I mean, yo, I actually fucking sent bro $40 in USDC once for him to buy an eval. I mean, honestly, I kind of, that's why I don't care though. I feel like I've given him chances. Like, I don't really care. If you keep messing with him, what? What's he gonna do? Stop coming to stream? I don't really care. Is everybody sad? I mean, I don't really care. Bro said, give me $40. Now, honestly, I mean, this is why I don't give money to some people on social media. Oh, and also, did you know, fun fact, I mean, this is Baka Ken be pissing me off. You know, also, did you know that when I gave him $40, I actually explicitly asked him, is there any reason that you cannot pass KYC? And point blank, I asked him, is there any reason you can't pass KYC? He neglected to answer my question. I sent him $40, and then he complains he has issues passing KYC. Like, so I've already given you $40 out of my own pocket, and I asked you, is KYC gonna be an issue? And you kept the $40, and now you're still trying to get into my giveaways when I explicitly tell you to not enter because you're under 18. Like, You said, did he pass the account? No, because I don't think he was... I don't know if he bought the account or what he did. You said my question is why spend the money? Because I didn't know he was underage when I gave him the money. Because when I asked him, like, can you pass KYC? That was me asking him, are you in a country that is in a prop firm you can't trade with? And also, are you over the age of 18? He neglected to answer my question, and I didn't want to ask him again, so I just sent him the money. But I would never have sent him that money if I knew he was under 18. Like... Yeah, I mean, I don't really care. I'm not gonna lie though, dude. I specifically asked him not to enter my giveaways, and he's still doing it. I explained to him why. I told him he's taking accounts away from people in my community. Like, it's almost like I feel like I need to defend my community. Like, I worked very hard to get these accounts to give away to you guys, and he's just gonna come in here and enter them under 18, like, and then he's gonna get, like, it's an account that no one can get paid out from because he's under 18. You said, bro, Tradeify my fun. Appreciate that, Matir. You said they're hard of hearing. I mean, yeah, probably. I'm gonna turn my air conditioner on. Bro said Arby's, anyone? What? That's an interesting comment to say, NQ. Oh my god, Nasdaq, can we just deliver up? I do get that. I mean, it's more about, like, I specifically told you not to enter giveaways because you're not 18 and you can't pass KYC. And you also, I asked you before I gave you the money. It's more about the lying to me and trying to, like, go around what I ask you of me. I mean, Bakakeno, I don't really care about $40, bro. I mean, like, I make $20 an hour at my job, and I mean that's like 2 affiliate sales for me. It's more like you know what I'm saying? It's a principle. Like, I point blank asked you, can you pass KYC, and you didn't answer it. You know what I mean? Like, you get my point. I mean, honestly, I don't really care. You can keep the $40 you want. I don't really care about that. Can you please stop trying to enter my giveaways though when you're under 18 when I've asked you multiple times that it can, and on top of that too, you can get me in trouble, Bakaken. You get this, right? Like, if I'm giving away accounts to people that are under 18, it's my job to properly, like, not be giving away accounts to minors. Like, I can lose my affiliate and I can lose my income because of you, and I've told you before, you cannot be entering my giveaways if you're under 18. I've specifically told you, dude. Like, I've specifically told you this. Like, you're like, dude, I have to defend myself as an affiliate, dude. Like, you're gonna get me in trouble, and I've told you this before, bro. Like, you get where I'm coming from though. Like, if Apex finds out, like, I get in trouble. Like, bro, so I mean, I haven't given away any accounts in Lucid so far, but. Bro said 30 people watching this beef. Appreciate you, Pillow. I mean, it's still gotta hit TP first, but... Appreciate you, Pillow. That's comedy. What, me arguing with a 17-year-old? I feel like when I put it like that. Are you actually NQ? I hope you're joking. Well, best of luck, NQ. I'm always wishing the best for you, bro. You said jailing could stop me from trading? I think it might, but... Oh, Nasdaq, take these equal highs. So I'm smuggling my phone in there. Can this shit hit?
Order filled.
Bang. Just hit a 1-to-1 R. It's a little over 1-to-1. I got like 32 people on YouTube, also live on Twitch and Kick. Honestly, pretty rough week overall, but WA to end off the week. I'm about to do a giveaway, giving away 2 Apex evals on stream. So definitely make sure you're pulling up to the streams every single week, Monday to Friday, 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Getting some W's in the chat. Appreciate all you guys, but I'll be back next week. Appreciate you guys. Oh yeah, so I'll do the giveaway now. I wish I took that. So I'm back to break even. That's what's up, Bison. But I'll do the giveaway. I feel like this will be some more nicer vibes. But, and you know, last thing, I will definitely enter all you guys just for, I feel slightly better about Bakakenu. I mean, if bro's still here, I mean, it's more of like, I guess, if you think about it like this, like, yeah, like there's no way for me to verify who's 18 or not, but I know that you're 18 and I feel like it's my obligation to like follow the rules. And like I pay my bills with this affiliate money. Like if I get in trouble, like I can't pay my bills. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, even though you're like, oh well, how would they find out? How about this? Like, no, like I'm telling you, I don't want to take this risk and I want you to accept that. But that's the end of it. Same idea. Elizabeth. What Roy / Hunter. That is, I'm not bugging, right? That is you that like when I look on different social media platforms, it's 2 separate names. Elizabeth who? There's the Elizabeth. There's some Elizabeth in the YouTube. What, Lopez Lens? Do I have Cypher in there? Cypher, I assume you probably want to be added, right? You said I'm pretending like I'm happy, but that was supposed to be my trade. Collide, I'm coming for you. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, of course you can get in, Riley. Riley, where's Riley Frank? Man. Yeah, Cypher. Said, am I not? I can definitely get you in. I'm still adding names in. What contains nuts? MDVJ. You know what surprises me? How did we go from 30 viewers to 22 viewers during a giveaway? Like, are there really 8 people in here that were just here for signals? And like, they're like free accounts? Nah, I only want signals. Manny. No, the beef? Honestly, that might have been, honestly. Do I have LAJ? LA. Yeah, no, you're here all the time. I have no idea how to spell your name. I always make jokes about you just smacked your face on the keyboard. Can my dogs enter? I mean, you can enter. I don't think I have Elijah. No, you Matthew Hatfield. Can I jump in? Yeah. Widow. Yeah. JHNSN. I'm convinced people are making alt accounts at this point, but that's just how it goes. You said your giveaway is lucky, bro. Hey, you passed the Alva account. That's what's up, bro. So what prop for? Oh, these are Apex accounts. It can be oh, rat hairs. Yeah, I got your rat hairs. All right. Yeah, so they're Apex accounts, and you can pick any account at Apex and it's just free. Mr. Debo. Rex Mora Big. Okay, I want to say, I mean, what? There's 24 entries and there's 23 people in the stream. So I mean, like there definitely cannot be anyone else to enter. So I mean, like, let me just double check. And none of these are doubled, right? You know. Said I'm not in. Okay. Well, there are 26 people in here, but what? Stronger. And Ellie. You're someone definitely took his girl's phone, but okay. Yeah, I mean, so I'm just gonna spin the wheel. Whoever it lands on, I'll find a way to get in contact with you, and I'll get you the Apex account. But oh, Dion. Oh, Dion's a regular. I gotta get Dion in here. Okay. No. Okay. Obviously, I'll still add you, but I feel like if I sit here and keep adding names, I'm gonna be here all day. Not Vized. Not got Vized. So, you guys ready for the first spin of the wheel? Oh, Manny. Yeah, why not? You said no, queen. I trade. You call me queen. Let me not make any jokes here. What? Sping, whatever. Murphy. I'm not adding anyone else. This is. Where the fuck do people coming from? Yeah. Who? I mean, yeah. Yeah. I definitely. Okay. So I'm gonna do the first spin now. I definitely got everyone. Well, damn. Ellie pops in here and wins. Okay. So who? I don't know. Ellie, so just find some way to get in contact with me. Like, you can either like DM me on Instagram, DM me on Discord, DM me on TikTok. Just somehow I gotta send you the code privately to get the Apex account. So you said, well, I mean, I'm pretty sure you were entered. You just didn't win, Sig. Yeah, your name's on the thing, Sig. But I said ban Ellie for winning. Nah, but so the first winner's Ellie. I'm gonna write this down so I don't forget. Remove Ellie's name. So I'm not entered. I'm pretty sure. Well, I misspelled your name, but you're the last one, Murthy. Like the 241. I put you down the last name. But so we have Ellie, and I'll spin one more time. Aww. That was almost NQ. I low-key wanted to be NQ, but it's the same idea. That was close. So same ID, same thing as Ellie. Just find some way to get in contact with me. To no, I'm not Manny's my brother. We trade together. Manny? I have no idea who Manny is. But yeah, so just find a way to get in contact with me, the winners. So damn, I was hoping for a birthday present. Oh, is it your birthday? Wait. Riley, is it actually your birthday? Bro said, y'all mad I won? Bro said 10 more giveaways. Well, happy birthday, Riley. You said tomorrow is? Well, happy early birthday. I guess I can't say happy birthday to you. I have to film a trade recap. I'm so fucking sweaty. Was there not even a gap on like... Bro said back to my blue collar job. Well, best of luck with that. Damn, what the fuck? You said I'm funded? Didn't you just say I'm back at break even like 5 minutes ago? So thank you so much. Yeah, just find a way to get in contact with me though. Like just DM me because I gotta give you the code. I don't know if you've DM'd me yet, but... You said I think you should promote your code and enter people who use your code. Yeah, honestly, I probably should do that. I definitely have more accounts to give away. I just figured I'd do 2. I haven't done a giveaway on stream in a hot minute. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Have a good rest of your day, Elijah. Yeah, honestly, I'll film my trade recap now, though. Friday, August 28th. Sorry to hear that. Today is Friday, August 28th. I took one trade on the Nasdaq. I ended up catching a win. I'm going to break down what that trade was. So coming to the session, I did have a very bullish bias. So I say that because, my internet's still working fine. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. I'm going to try. Is my internet good? Yeah, my internet's good. I don't want my internet went weird for a second. Ignore that. You said Cypher and Vised? Honestly, I can see it. Today's Friday, August 28th. I took one trade on the Nasdaq. I took a win that was a little over 1-to-1. I'm gonna break down what that trade was. So on the daily time frame, I was very bullish. So if I rewind to the way it looked, like right at the open, it's the replay tool. Well, this is like 10 a.m., but this is close enough. So when you look at the higher time frame, we had relative equal highs. So you can see this previous day high right here got edged, where you can see Asia high, this actually was, came ridiculously close to previous day high, but never actually took it. It's previous day high. So you can see this is previous day high over here. This is Asia high. They're relative equal highs. And also I am bullish higher time frame. Like when you go to the weekly time frame, for example, we are delivering out of a weekly fair value gap right here. So here's this. On the daily time frame, right, you can see we're also having a reaction out of that. There's also an unfilled daily fair value gap up here, which I believe to be a strong draw. Like, honestly, if we are going to move bearish, I really think that we should tap into that daily fair value gap first before we continue lower. On the 4-hour time frame, what do you call it? We're kind of just chopping in here, but you can see we are respecting bullish things. Like this 4-hour gap down here is being respected. When I go to the hourly, it's kind of the same story where it's kind of choppy, but I really have high confidence in these relative equal highs up here. So at 9:30, we had a manipulation down. This is exactly what I wanted to see at 9:30. We had this 9:30 high that got left behind. I was looking for longs here. Me personally, I could never really catch an entry. I was waiting for the highest time frame gap in the current leg, which ended up being like some, I forget what it was, but like you can see there's a 2-minute gap here, there's 3-minute gap here, 4-minute gap here. Yeah, so, and there's even a 5-minute gap, right? So there's really no inversion entry for me. In terms of CISDs, there's not really any entry down here either. Like, there's no real clean structure I can base anything off of. So I couldn't get an entry coming up here. All these stacked highs kind of get ran. At this point, I really thought these relative equal highs, a previous day high, was going to get taken. I'm very surprised it didn't. Around like 9:50, we just dumped, right? Failed to take them. And now we have yet another relative equal high up here. So now we've traded down into a 5-minute fair value gap. We ended up inverting this 5-minute gap over here. I personally was still bullish because, one, we're so close to this higher time frame draw, and we're also retesting this, like, I feel like there's like a 3-minute change in the state of delivery over here. There was also an SMT at the lows at that point in time. Or, well, actually, I'll fast forward a bit. So you can see, actually, surprisingly, on MNQ, it actually took out those highs, or made like equal highs. But if you look at NQ, those highs were actually still intact. I actually put this on my thing. This is actually shout out Collide, one of my regulars from stream. He was making fun of me. He literally said this when price was like down here, and I was waiting for this 4-minute inverse, and he was like, dude, like a 10-16. He was like, dude, bro still wants longs. You can see that that's literally right over here. Like, yes, I did in fact want longs. So I waited for like this, was it a 3-minute inverse? No, it was a 4-minute. Yeah, it was this 4-minute inverse, which is the highest time frame gap in the current leg. We also had an SMT where what do you call it? Was it this low, or yeah, for SMT from this low. So essentially NQ swept out this low, ES failed to sweep it, SMT, but I just like the delivery and the draw and everything. So I ended up market ordering. I just targeted these relative equal highs up here. My stop loss was like a little bit under equilibrium of this wick on like the 5-minute. So I was just thinking, if we do trade all the way back down here, like there's no reason to trade below 50% of that wick. Well, I entered somewhere like that, and I just full TP'd up here. A little quick 1-to-1. Right to MNQ to show it. So my evals are pretty much back at like starting balance, essentially. But honestly, we're delivering straight up. We hit that unfilled daily gap, it looks like, as well. Finally getting some good price action. But I'm kind of viewing this, though, like this was a good, like, we accumulated kind of near the open. We manipulated down after the open, kind of like 10-15, and we traded higher afterwards. You said next time Tim needs to put the names in the wheels starting from the beginning of the stream. That's mad funny. But yeah, that's pretty much my trade recap. I don't think I have anything else to say. I mean, if you guys were not aware already, I do live trade for free here on YouTube Monday to Friday at 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely come pull up, hang out with me while I'm trading. See me take all my executions in live time. See me give all my analysis, all that type of good stuff. Use code TIMB272 in all prop firms, Lucid Trading, Apex Trader Funding, Tradeify, My Fund of Futures, Alpha Futures. If you want to trade journal, trade Zella, you get the point. If you enjoyed this trade recap, hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, subscribe. You said, do you trade Judas swing? I trade Judas swing sometimes, but I feel like Judas swings definitely work a lot better right after the open. Look at my message above. Yeah, I kind of half read that. You said that's so pathetic. Chat full of people waiting to the giveaway. Now it's regulars again, or people. I mean, yeah, that's how it be. Honestly, though, I do remember. Like, I know I talk this all the time, but I remember. Hey, thanks for the sub, Charhouse. But I remember when I used to be in PB trading, like. I remember all the time Blake used to randomly get like so triggered because like he would like hit TP and he would watch the viewer count like just go down and he'd start the trade recap and sometimes it would drop from like 1,000 people to like 200 and he'd be like, there goes 800 signal bots. Like, and he'd be like, you guys don't even want to hear me explain why I took this trade. Like, I'm like, it's whatever. But honestly, I do see a correlation with myself. Like I just gave away the funded accounts, hit TP, I had 30 people. It's like, we lost, what? Almost like 50% of our viewers. I mean, I get it though, but it's the nature of the game. You said, you guys are the real ones. Out of curiosity, yeah, have a good rest of your day, NQ. Yo, same idea. Are you in here? I see. I found Ellie. Are you? Oh, okay. I won the account today. Same idea. Okay, yeah, I got you. Bet I found you. Never mind. Okay, I found the 2 winners. I don't gotta worry about that later. So as soon as I end stream, I'll message both winners and give them the accounts. Said playing to short here in the daily. I hope it works out for you, bro. I feel like my YouTube keeps dropping for like 5 seconds at a time. I know this sounds so random, but if my stream randomly drops, it was not my intention. I mean, I'm probably gonna only be here for like a couple more minutes anyway. Said read my last bet. What? You said there needs to be a regular giveaway. Honestly, I mean, I have a shit ton of accounts to give away. I mean, I'd be down. I could do that. Because I mean, I still have. I mean, honestly, I'll be straight up with you guys. I have 8 more accounts I can give away. Like Apex gave me 10 accounts to give away. So, I mean, honestly, I could probably do like maybe like 3. Like, yeah, I see. Yeah, you're, what do you call it? I found you on Discord. What's your name? I just saw your Discord 5 seconds ago. What the I literally. Oh, AZ. There you are. Never mind. Yeah, I'll message you like right after stream. But yeah, I could probably give away like a couple accounts to regulars, a couple accounts to people that use my code. Bro said I'm a regular and I use your code. I appreciate that, bro. So anytime chilling, yeah. You got the weekend. I don't know why I think this is so funny. I open up Instagram and this dude's caption says NQ left me fundless. So you have a good weekend, Dion. Appreciate you stopping by. So I texted you, yeah. I say as soon as I end stream, I'll get you guys the codes for the accounts. Honestly, I'll probably end stream in like 10 minutes, honestly. I'm probably just gonna sit here and talk for like 5 more minutes and I'll get you guys your accounts. Uploaded my trade recap. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, I want to lock out my accounts. I made what? I made like 1250 on these accounts across 3. Most excited buy I've seen in a while. Oh, this is so random, but I'll pull out my trenchies. My trenchies did come yesterday. I still haven't tried these yet. Low-key, I'm kind of glad I didn't try these because then I think maybe I crashed out because I took the trenchies. But I did not take any trenchies this morning. They don't smell half bad. They kind of smell almost like cough syrup, but in a good way. Like, you know, I don't know. They're like individually packaged. Trenchy. I saw some people saying they taste like cough medicine. I'm not gonna lie, it's Friday. I might just start my weekend. You said this is so random, but my birthday is next month. Yo, I think you should celebrate your birthday regardless, but you said, so bro, quick, tell me the plan for the hose this weekend. Well, I mean, there's definitely no plan for the hose, but I am going to some thing with my parents this weekend. Bro's like, no. I think you would probably hear us making jokes saying my mom's gonna pick me up a girl. She's probably not, but you said bro's gonna get the Moe's. Is that men hose? So I said, how could I forget, bro? Doesn't make sense. It does sound funny. Yeah, I mean, honestly though, I was thinking, I feel like if I'm gonna get a girl, I feel like my best bet is just to think in my mind, like if I see a girl I want to talk to, like it doesn't matter when I'm in my life, just go talk to her. Like if I'm in the supermarket and I see some girl, like just go talk to her. You know, I feel like I was like trying to think in my mind like the ideal scenario. Like there's no ideal scenario, just like whenever I can. You should TP me that week. Honestly, yeah. I wasn't doing too good after yesterday trading wise. Like I was like, I don't know why it triggered me so bad. I mean, I know why it triggered me so bad. I think it was because I took a setup I knew was dog shit and took it anyway. I'm not gonna, like, when I feel like when I got off the charts, I just sat there like I'm a fucking retard. Maybe, well, it's whatever, too late now. I've said that word on YouTube multiple times and it's been fine. But I'm definitely not gonna keep saying that. You said I got a proposition for you? What's your proposition, Cypher? That's what's up, Vizon. Bro said, I'd like to sponsor your lucid dreams. Bro said, I will buy us 200. Bro's trying to finesse me. Bro said, you trade them both. Bro said he's not even trying to finesse, he's trying to signal block from the source itself. He wants that ultra low latency. Bro said, yeah, good boy, keep looking at your phone. Bro said, I'm in your walls. Nah, I only got rats in my walls. Nah, I'm just kidding. What's up, Byron? How are you, bro? I don't know why. I think it's funny when it says like at RestreamBot. Like it does. You don't know who he's adding. Like I can always guess. You said ready to get back to the charts. I haven't traded in almost a month. Oh, honestly, a break's not a bad thing. Honestly, I feel like coming back with like a fresh mindset's not the worst. Honestly. Like what? I don't even know what's going on. She's like, where's my account? What's up, Emily? Yeah. He's like gay. You said I'm doing the same and low-key it's really nice. I just log in and follow along, just kind of keep up to date. Yeah, honestly, there's nothing wrong with that. Honestly, the market's been tough to trade lately. Said Elizabeth's a dude. I mean, maybe. I don't know. You never know. I don't care either way. Who, Roy? Why you believe everyone's a dude? I mean, I don't think everyone's a dude, but you know, did you know the YouTube analytics, okay? Let's see what percentage of my audience is female. So what happened with the, I mean, you were entered. I definitely entered you, but I did it and you didn't win. Yeah, you were entered. You were the fourth person I entered. Here, I want to find. Here's my audience analytics though. So guys, oh, my female audience has increased significantly. My female audience is actually up to 8% now. Here, can you see this? Probably not. My audience is now 8.1% female and 91.9% male. It actually used to be 4% female. I've actually doubled my female audience. Have your weekend, pillow. Bro said 8% she-males. Bro's offending 8% of my audience. Bro's period queen, as you should. I mean, honestly though, I think that they probably come from my trade. Like, I feel like I have a lot of prompt firm education. I was like, where's Uber? He said, how'd you do this morning? I only took one trade this morning. I took this 3 or 4 minute IFVG. It's a 4 minute IFVG I took to like these relative equal highs at previous day high. You said, I don't think you ever talk to a girl, chat. Who, me or the chat, or both? I mean, I don't talk to girls. Girls scare me. I'm afraid of women. I actually have a shirt that says I'm afraid of women. I'll actually grab it. Do you guys like my shirt? It says I'm afraid of women. Yo, I'm not gonna lie though, when I wear that shirt in public, I get some of the most insane looks. Like I wear that shirt to the gym sometimes. I literally, like, you ever like walk by someone on a machine? Like, I'm talking, I see people literally, like, their head is on a swivel, just following me as I walk by them, like just staring straight at my shirt. Bro said spam 1 in the chat if Tim is a lost soul. Oh, that way. You said bro's picking a fight with Restream bot. You said 4 X's. I got like 2 X's. 3. I don't even know. What do you define an X as? I'm probably gonna end stream here though, honestly. I'm just yapping. But I do appreciate all you guys that stop by, hang out with me, trade with me. Obviously next week, Monday to Friday, every single morning, Monday to Friday, 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Definitely pull up again. Code TIMB272 in all prop firms. Lucid Trading, Alpha Trading. Alpha Trading? Oh my god. Lucid, Tradeify, Apex Trader Funding. All type of stuff. So appreciate you sticking around, Roy. But you guys know the deal. I mean, I'll see you guys soon. Appreciate you guys. Peace out. Have a good weekend.